Hey there car audio enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at the SoundStorm Laboratories LOPRO10 10-inch powered under-seat car audio subwoofer. This bad boy packs a punch with 1200 watts max power thanks to its built-in amplifier with MOSFET power supply. The LOPRO10 also features a variable low-pass filter to keep those high notes out of your subwoofer, high and low-level inputs for easy connectivity to your factory or aftermarket radio, and a variable bass boost to customize your bass experience. Measuring at just 15.5x11x3 and weighing in at 13 pounds, the low-profile design of the LOPRO10 makes it ideal for space-challenged vehicles like trucks and enclosures. Plus, it comes with a powerful 3-year platinum online dealer warranty when purchased from Amazon.com. Don't miss out on supercharging your car audio system with the SoundStorm Laboratories LOPRO10. Check the link in the description to get yours today and take your car audio to the next level. Remember, professional installation is recommended to ensure proper and safe functionality. Don't wait, upgrade your car audio game now.